Why have we stopped?
There's trouble up ahead.
Captain Martin, we cannot cross this. Our carts will all float down the river.
Some of us are not strong enough to withstand the current.
We'll freeze to death.
I know. I thought the river would be frozen over by now.
Is there any way around?
No, but we must press forward. Brethren, may I have some volunteers to help me carry those in the sick wagon across? Brother Hanson, how about you? Are there any others strong enough?
I'll help.
Bless you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Captain, if we get wet, we'll only freeze faster.
Then we'll try to get as many of you across on our shoulders.
Katrina, hop on.
No,
Come on.
I don't want you to carry me.
Katrina, it's the only way to get you safely across. We're going to make it.
So what if we make it across? We'll just die tomorrow.
I promise you, you're going to make it to Utah. I will too. I'll run. I'll make it there before you.
Promise?
Promise.
Jonah, don't go back.
I have to. It's the last person.
Let someone else go.
There's no one else who will.
Jonah, no.
If they had not volunteered to help, we all would have perished.
He didn't have to carry us. He didn't have to carry me.
Jonah was an inspired man. He spent his life serving others, and he's in a better place now. Hurry! Utah is not far.